Hello friends, welcome to AWS with Jaymit. If you are a absolutely beginner with AWS, this video is for you. In this video, I will going to show how you can getting started with AWS, how to set up AWS account, and introduction to AWS Management Console. AWS is one of the biggest cloud providers, and there are 200 plus services related to storage, networking, compute, database, and other stuff. So first we will set up AWS account. So what we will do is we will open Google and we will search AWS console. So here we will search AWS console. So it will take us to main AWS landing page website. Here we have option to create account. So this is the first step to set up your AWS account to getting started with cloud computing on AWS to host your web application or anything. So once you set up account, you are able to manage your different cloud resources. So when you are set up AWS account, you need to follow some step. So it will like first you need to enter your email address. So for now, I'm adding my email address here, awsjaymit@gmail.com. You need to give an account name and you need to verify email address first as a first step. When you set up your account first time, for 6 months, you will get $100 credit by default. And apart from that, if you complete some additional activity after creating your AWS account, they will guide you and you will get another $100 credit for completing those activity. So this is way you can getting started with AWS by using this credit to dig into different services. So first you need to enter your account detail and you need to verify your email address first. So once you enter your email address and you can enter your account name, you need to verify. You'll go to the next step where you need to set up your password, username. So you need to set up your strong password. Next time you will use that password to log in into your AWS account. After you done with the setting of the password as a first step, second step, you need to add your contact detail, which is like your full name, your country, mobile number, and address. So that will be help with the contact information regarding your account. Another step is a billing information. So you need to add your credit card or a debit card for a billing perspective. According to the country, it will be a bit a different process also. Like if you are in United States, this is the option. If you are in India, you will also get an additional option to set up a payment by using UPI method or a credit card or a debit card. So you need to enter this detail just for a feature reference. Initially, you will not get any charge up to 6 months. Meanwhile, you have a like use your pricing from the credits. After credit, you will get charges. Okay. So this is the account detail you need to enter. After you're done with entering those details, you need to confirm your identity. Like according to the country, this process might be different. Like in India or some other country, they ask for a identity document. So here added a like we'll select a personal use individual. I added my identity details and uploaded that, and I'll continue to the next step. So it will be our final step to set up our AWS account, management console account. So here they are setting up our AWS account, and finally we are done with sign up with AWS. So this is a management console. This is a AWS Management Console by default view. Generally, this section will show the recent visited services, This will show different applications region wise. Um, Here we'll see cost related stuff. Here we see health related stuff, like if anything down, any other services or any other. Here we'll see some getting started related document, like getting started with AWS, training and certification related stuff, AWS Builder Center related stuff. Here we have a, like some different architecture related patterns. We'll see uh, other learning related stuff. You can find it over here. You can explore about AWS more, like if you complete this activity, 5 activity, you'll get a credit, like $100 credit you will earn to use it. Like each activity having a $20. So launch an EC2 instance, launch an instance using EC2. So if you complete this activity, then they will give you $20, like launch an EC2 instance, right? So start an activity. So we need to launch our EC2 instance, right? So they will guide us through, and then once we done with that activity, we will get a $20 credit. So name your instance so that you can easily keep track of it, right? So this way we need to just follow those steps, and we need to just create a those we need to complete those activities, so you'll get a credit, like create a web app using AWS Lambda, create an Aurora RDS, right? So this way, like once we complete one activity, you'll get a $20. And there are some other blogs and announcement recent. So those are things you can see on your AWS console. You are also able to add a new widget according to your needs in management console. Um, Also, in your you will see your billing related stuff in billing and cost management section. So here you'll see your billing and cost management details. So here we'll see overall overview of the bills of current month and last month and other things. In credit section, you'll see like how many credits you have available. Right now, they by default giving us a total $100 credit, which we are able to use across, like while we are exploring AWS first time up to it is expiring on uh, after like starting today and expiring after, it is showing right now 1 year, right? So that way you also get the credit by exploring those launching some services, right? So you see like all the recent visited services showing here. So if you go to this section, you'll see like all the different categories of services, like analytic services, application integration services. There is a compute services like EC2, Lambda, and other, right? So database related services, RDS, DynamoDB, and other services. Same way, like you will see a lot of other stuff, right? So if you want to launch a EC2, you just need to search here EC2, and this will be a first compute service, right? Generally, everyone using. Same way, if you want to open a Lambda function services, you need to just type Lambda, and you can go to that section and create a Lambda function, right? So this way, like you are able to use AWS Management Console, and you need to keep tracking your billings. And here you are able to switch a region. Like currently, we are in uh, Europe region here, right? So if we want to go into other regions, say for example, Central Canada region, then we can switch a region. If we want to go into Mumbai region, we can switch it, right? So we'll see like all the services or resources related to that region. We can, if you want to open a S3, we need to search it and open it and create a bucket and other stuff. So this way, like there are majorly in every cloud provider having a compute service, storage service, network service, and database services and some other stuff, right? So this way you can just create your account, digging into management console, start doing some activity. They are also giving a credits by for launching a this few activity, launch EC2, launch AWS Lambda, RDS, budget creation, budget alert, and other stuff, right? So this way, use a foundational model in Amazon Bedrock. So this activity give you the credits and side by side you will learn it. So please like this video, share it with your friends who are very beginners to AWS. Subscribe my channel for more stuff to learn in AWS. Thank you for watching.